Hello everybody, how are you doing today? My name is Tayyab and I welcome you to my channel. First of all, press that subscribe button and the bell icon. Then come and like the video, and if you have any questions till end of the video, feel free to ask in the comment section. Let's start the video. Today our topic is how to make your own website. Let's get to it. Start by choosing a domain name and a reliable hosting service. Use website builders like WordPress or Wix for easy setup. Design your site with the user experience in mind. Keep it simple and mobile friendly. Don't forget to add essential pages like about and contact info. Launch your site and share your passion. Hope we meet in another video. So till then, goodbye.